Hello and welcome to the Import-Export Hub channel. I'm your host Bogdan, and in today's video I would like to talk about what products to import from Italy. And as you can see, I've already prepared an Excel file with the trade data and the main trading partners for 2019. And I will begin with the first product that I want to talk about, which is in fact chapter A474 from the combined nomenclature. So basically machinery for sorting, screening, separating, washing, crunching, grinding and mixing. And we see here that for 2019, Algeria was the biggest importer with more than $100 million worth of imports, followed by the United States, and then you have Spain, China, Germany, France, Brazil, India, Turkey, and on the 10th place we have the Russian Federation. So you have a very good dispersion of partners. You don't see a big clustering of countries, so this is a good thing for the Italian manufacturers. In terms of cumulative value, at least for these top 10 trading partners, they make up for roughly 46% of the total exports. In terms of positive points that I want to highlight, I will definitely start with the quality of the Italian machinery. Then I will continue by saying that another positive point could be the fact that there are relatively numerous manufacturers, both big and small, located especially in the northern part of Italy, so you can definitely find your right machinery and your right supplier in Italy for your needs. In terms of negative points, I will highlight here, especially if you are located in a developing country, there might not be an after-service partner located there, but I don't see this as a big problem because you just need a good connection to the internet and a webcam to make the training with the manufacturer. And again, because Italy has a good logistics connectivity index, the lead time for spare parts shouldn't be a problem also. Another negative point could be the price range, because if you are comparing it to other manufacturers located, for example, in India or in China, definitely the price for the Italian machinery will be higher. Now, moving on to the second product that I want to talk about, which is chapter 42. We see here that for 2019, Switzerland is by far the biggest trading partner with more than $4 billion worth of imports, followed by France, the United States, Korea, Japan, Hong Kong, Germany. Then you have United Kingdom, Spain, and China, and on the 10th place we have Spain. And here, in terms of dispersions, except maybe China, all the other countries are relatively high income countries. So this explains a lot why these countries are in the top 10 list. As for the cumulative value, the top 10 trading partners make up for roughly 84% of the total exports from Italy. But here I will focus, here we have the values at an aggregate level, but here I will focus my attention especially to the leather bags segment. So if you want to import, I don't know, a local brand from Italy, or do you want to create your own private label leather bag, definitely Italy is the place to source this type of product. In terms of positive points, I will highlight here the fact that you have the quality of the Italian leather, which is recognized all over the world. In fact, lots of luxury manufacturers are sourcing and manufacturing their leather bags here in Italy. In other positive point could be the fact that there are relatively numerous manufacturers, again, both big and small manufacturers, especially located especially in Tuscany. So if you want to have a partner that can help you with service from A to Z, so from design to manufacture, sourcing materials and accessories, definitely you can find in Italy a reliable partner. Now, in terms of negative points, I will highlight here only the fact that you will have to commit, if you want to create your own private label leather bag, you will have to commit to relatively high minimum order quantities. Now moving on to the third product that I want to talk about, which is olive oil. So chapter 1509 from the combined nomenclature, we see here that for 2019 the United States was again one of the biggest importers, followed by Germany. Then we have Japan, France, Canada, United Kingdom, Switzerland, Russian Federation, China, and then the Netherlands on the 10th place. Again, we see here a relatively good dispersion of the trading partners. We don't see much concentration, so this is a good point for the industry. In terms of cumulative value, we see here that the top 10 partners make up for roughly 78% of the total exports of Italy. In terms of positive points, I will highlight here again the quality and the fact that there are numerous producers of olive oil, especially if I will recommend here to source your olive oil partner in Liguria, so in northwestern part of Italy. And I will highlight here the fact that if you want to create your own private label olive oil product, let's say, I will recommend to buy and transport the olive oil in bulk, and you should bottle it in your local country, because you can make a strong selling point by putting on the label the fact that the origin of the oil it's in Italy. It's from Italy, sorry. Some negative points could be the fact that a couple of years ago there was a problem with the traceability of the olive oil, because some of the Italian manufacturers were importing olive oil from countries from Northern Africa, mixing it with Italian oil, but marketing it as Italian origin, when in fact the value of non-Italian olive oil was higher than the value of Italian olive oil. Again, another negative point could be the fact that if you want to buy the olive oil directly bottled from Italy, you will have to commit to relatively high volumes. Okay, so these are the three products for which I have the data, but I want to talk about another two category of products that I definitely recommend importing from Italy. But as I told you earlier, I don't have the data for these two products or these two categories, but I'm thinking about here the local pasta or local biscuits or chocolates. Italy is a well-renowned country. Okay, maybe after Switzerland, but it's a very well-renowned country in terms of chocolate manufacturing. Another product which I definitely recommend, especially if you are located in a developing country, especially in the sub-Saharan area. I would definitely recommend to import second-hand scooters from Italy. As maybe, I don't know if you are aware or not, but in Italy, I think that 60-70% of people, especially in large cities, are moving by scooters. So there are lots of second-hand scooters available at decent prices, and if you are ordering them in large quantities, you can have a big discount. Okay, so these are the products that I wanted to talk about. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, and if you like this video, don't forget to push the like button, and also hit the subscribe button. And until next time, keep your business safe.